Here are different ways to say sorry in English, depending on the tone, situation, and level of formality. Simple and direct apologies. 1. I'm sorry. 2. I apologize. 3. My apologies. 4. Sorry about that. 5. I'm really sorry. 6. Please forgive me. Expressing regret. 1. I deeply regret what happened. 2. I'm truly sorry for what I did. 3. I feel awful about this. 4. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry. 5. I wish I could take it back. 6. I'm so sorry for letting you down. Casual or informal apologies. 1. Oops, my bad. 2. Sorry, that was my mistake. 3. Didn't mean to, sorry. 4. Whoops, sorry about that. 5. My bad, I'll fix it. 6. Sorry about the mix-up. Apologies in professional or formal settings. 1. I apologize for the inconvenience. 2. I'm sorry for the oversight. 3. Please accept my sincerest apologies. 4. I take full responsibility for this mistake. 5. I apologize for any confusion this may have caused. 6. I'm sorry for any trouble this has caused you. Heartfelt and sincere apologies. 1. I am truly sorry from the bottom of my heart. 2. I feel terrible, and I am sincerely sorry. 3. I hope you can find it in your heart to forgive me. 4. I'm sorry, I never meant to hurt you. 5. Please know how much I regret this. 6. I'm really sorry, I didn't mean for things to go this way. Making amends. 1. How can I make it up to you? 2. I know I was wrong and I'd like to make things right. 3. Let me know how I can fix this. 4. Is there anything I can do to make up for this? 5. I'll do my best to ensure this doesn't happen again. 6. I'm sorry, I'll make sure it won't happen again. Empathetic apologies, showing understanding. 1. I'm so sorry, I understand how you feel. 2. I completely understand why you're upset, and I'm truly sorry. 3. I realize how much this hurt you, and I'm really sorry. 4. I'm sorry, I know this has been difficult for you. 5. I can see why you're upset, and I'm genuinely sorry. 6. I didn't mean to make things harder for you, and I'm really sorry. Light-hearted or playful apologies. 1. Oops, my bad. Won't happen again. 2. Sorry. I messed up, didn't I? 3. Oh, I owe you an apology. 4. I dropped the ball on that one, sorry. 5. Yikes, sorry about that. 6. Guess I owe you a coffee for that mistake. These variations allow you to adapt your apology to different circumstances, whether you need to be formal, heartfelt, or casual.